Hey guys, Trevor here, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix bad quality TikTok uploads. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now, there are a couple of different things that you can do to make sure that the quality of the videos or photos that you're uploading to TikTok are higher quality. The very first thing that we'll do is we'll go into our settings here, and then we'll scroll down until we find camera right under photos. There it is. So we're going to tap on camera, and here we can adjust the quality of the videos that we're going to upload to TikTok so you can see record videos. The second option, I can tap on that, and it gives me a bunch of different options. I have 4K 30 frames per second selected, so you want as high resolution as possible. If you have, say, 720p HD, the very top option, then it won't be as high definition or as clear and crisp as you'd like. So I suggest 4K or whatever the highest resolution you have here. And then once you've said that, you can hop out of here and we'll open up the TikTok app itself now. Once we're on this app, the very bottom center here, we'll tap the plus button. And I'm just going to record a quick video here, and then at the bottom right, I'll tap the check mark and then hit next here. Now, this is where you can adjust it and make sure it's not bad quality when you're uploading. So if you scroll down, you can see more options at the very bottom here. We'll tap on that, and then it says Allow High Quality Uploads is the second option. So you want to make sure that's toggled on because this will allow even when you record, say, a fork on your camera. Sometimes TikTok will compress it to a lower resolution and worse quality. But if you have this enabled, it will keep that 4K or high resolution quality when it uploads it to TikTok, and it will be really crisp and clean. Hope this helps. Thanks for your time today, and I'll see you on the next one.